Living in America involves far more than just rent and groceries. There are significant, often hidden costs that impact household budgets. We often talk about the obvious monthly expenses, but today we're diving into the hidden costs that truly define the cost of living in the U.S. The perception of a comfortable American life can clash sharply with the reality of constant financial strain caused by these unseen expenses. Hidden costs are the essential, often non-discretionary expenses that aren't part of the monthly budget basics, such as unexpected medical bills or high-interest debt. First, let's tackle one of the biggest silent budget killers: healthcare. For many, it's an invisible premium. Even with insurance, high deductibles and out-of-pocket maximums mean unexpected medical needs can rapidly drain savings. For individuals managing chronic conditions, the ongoing costs of prescription drugs and treatments become a persistent, unavoidable financial weight. The constant fear of accruing debilitating medical debt often leads people to delay necessary care, leading to higher costs down the line. Next, let's explore the enormous financial pressures from education and childcare, impacting both young professionals and families. The soaring cost of higher education leaves many starting their careers already buried under massive student debt, delaying major life milestones. For families, high-quality childcare can be as expensive as a second mortgage, often forcing one parent out of the workforce entirely. Inadequate public infrastructure also translates directly into steep financial costs and the priceless cost of lost time. America's car-dependent infrastructure requires costly expenses like car payments, insurance, gas, and maintenance, often without cheaper alternatives. Time lost to inadequate public transit or traffic congestion is time not spent earning, resting, or with family, a silent killer of productivity and well-being. Finally, compounding these problems is the cycle of debt and the profound mental toll it takes. Rising interest rates on credit cards and the reliance on high-interest payday loans trap many families in a devastating cycle of debt. The stress of financial precarity, the constant anxiety about making ends meet, is a profound mental and emotional cost that cannot be quantified easily. The hidden costs of living are not just personal failures, but systemic issues demanding attention and transparency. When we combine healthcare, education, transportation, and debt, the true financial burden on American households is staggering. Addressing these hidden costs requires more than just budgeting tips. It requires systemic change and policy solutions to make a truly affordable life possible.